After a couple of days in the Cairns area, we decided to visit Barron Gorge Hydro Station, which was super impressive. So much water flowing. Do you remember the heritage listed site from the previous video in Cairns? Well, this is where the water is coming from, all the way down the mountain.
So we left Cairns, out to Port Douglas on the highway, 110 zone. Driving along for about 15 minutes or so, and we hear what seems like a whoosh. Yeah, whoosh, bang, zip, whatever you want to call it.
We're like, what the hell just happened? Is it the fan, the skylight? Did the water tank drop on the road?
I mean, water tank's a bit excessive, but we didn't know. So, yeah, we stopped, pulled up the side of the road.
And a cyclist just went past and said, oh, something came off the roof. So we had a look. It wasn't the fan, but it was definitely the skylight lid.
Yeah.
There's a big hole.
Yeah, so skylight lid
gone. So Pete was brave enough to go and retrieve it off the highway. He came back running in Crocs to show me the smash lid of the roof skylight. This was pretty bad since we now had a big hole in our roof uncovered. We had to buy a ladder and some cloth tape and patch it up as best as we could. It wasn't pretty, but rain was coming and this worked just fine.
So we just patched the skylight as best we could. Bit of cloth tape from Bunnings. We've been looking around trying to probably get a new one. It's not ideal. We're looking at probably a week at least to get the thing in.
Because there aren't any parts available for this lid, so we have to buy a brand new one. Yay! So how much is that?
It's about
$400.
Yeah, unfortunately. We've been to a caravan place. They're like, oh, can't do much about it. So yeah, we're just stuck here, I guess, till the part comes in.
We're stuck in Cairns,
and of course, it's raining. At least we got the awning, so we can stay under the shelter for a bit, but I'll see how we go and keep you updated.
After 14 k's of crazy winding road up the mountain, I think this was even worse than Cairns, we arrived at Copperload Dam and the view was pretty cool, but there wasn't much to see, so we went back down the mountain off to Crystal Cascades. Today we are chilling at the beautiful Crystal Cascades just around Cairns. It's just amazing here. It's just a quick peek. That's not even the best bit, but that's one of the beautiful creeks around. Plus it's nice and cool today, so thank God. Back in Cairns, we were super impressed to see this huge cruise ship. It's so big that from far away it just looks like a building. It's just crazy. The Cairns Lagoon is a place we visit almost every day because it's so hot and humid here. It looks beautiful day and night as well. The second place we visit the most in Cairns is probably the dog park near our campsite because Elliot just loves it so much. And we do too. It's just beautiful and so green and everyone's really friendly there. Back at the site, we decided to put up a mesh screen tent. We bought this to chill outside when it's warm but there are bugs around, which actually is a bit useless in Cairns because we haven't had any bugs around, but we bought it, so we might as well try it out and see how it goes. As you can see, it took us a little while to put it together, but it's actually fairly simple. The instructions were complete rubbish, but after a bit of arguing around and fiddling around, we got there in the end. Then we got to show Elliot the tent and celebrate our accomplishment by dancing around. And then we burst out laughing when Elliot did this. We can't wait to enjoy the extra space in a new tent. And we took advantage of this sunny day to do a bit of laundry, but everyone else had the same idea, so we had to turn our space into a Chinese laundry. Oh, didn't we tell you that we have goannas in our caravan park? Yeah, sometimes you just come out of the laundry and there's one just wandering around, like this one. And sometimes you can find one just sunning itself on the grass and just chilling around. And this one actually came really close to us because I had drained a can of tuna at the back and he must have smelt it, so it came to lick the juices. A little bit frightening, but very fascinating from a distance as well.